why vision casting goal setting is actually so important, both from organizations but also families, is it highly impacts decision making. Over and over again, when we're working with teams, we're working with families, the whole topic around decision making, we all have limited time and energy. If we don't have clarity on our vision and our goals, how on earth are we going to make wise decision? Life is really about business, and family is all around making decisions. How are we going to make decisions with our time and our energy and our resources if we don't have clarity on our vision and our goals? And so it highly impacts decision making and our priorities. So, my encouragement for all of us watching, listening, is get out your pen and paper. And if you're an entrepreneur, do you have clarity in terms of your vision and your goals? And does your senior leadership team have that? And what I'd be encouraging you as an entrepreneur is quiz them at your next meeting. What is our vision? What is our purpose? What are our values? What are our goals? And just do a pop quiz. Find out in terms of how much do they actually really know, because that is so critical for engagement, for attraction, for energy level in terms of cascading and actually getting things actually done. And then on the personal side, I encourage you to do the same thing. Really kind of sit down with your partner, if you have one, and or with your family, and get clarity in terms of what your purpose and your goals are, because that is going to highly impact in terms of your decision making. So